How to add text to all slides in your PowerPoint. So you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. So first of all, you have to navigate to the view option. So once you are on your view option, you can see the slide master view here. Just tap on the slide master view. So once you are on your slide master view, you have to just go for the insert placeholder. And once you are on your insert placeholder, you have to select the one of the file here, one of the slide here. After selecting your one of the slide here, once you are on your view option, you have to just go for the slide master and you will find your slide master here. You can see that. After having your slide master here, you can see that you have to navigate to the insert option. So once you are on your insert option, you have to just go for the text box and you have to tap on the text box and here you will find your text box. After that, here you have to write the something on your text box here. And after that, here you have to place that text box on the top. After that, here you have to just go for your master title here. And here on your master title, you have to just go for the save format and just go for your close master view. So here you can find the heading on all of your slide like this. You can see that. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.